Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be my part 2 of my 2020 makeup favorites, and this is going to be all about eyes and lips category. So if you're interested in knowing my favorite makeup products for eyes and lips for the year 2020, then please keep on watching. Before which, please take a moment to hit the red color subscribe button right underneath this video, and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload. Now let's get into this video. So guys, for eyes and lips, so let's start with the eyebrow category. So for eyebrows, I have two items that I've been constantly using for the past year. I discovered in the past year. I'm so glad that I came across this and purchased this. The first one is this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. You get a wax, you get a medium brown shade, you get a deep brown shade. I mix these two most of the time and use it, and I use this sometimes to set my eyebrows. Very beautiful, very good amount of pigment to it, and also you get a teeny brush which is actually useful, and also a mini tweezer that comes in very handy when you're doing your eyebrows. You have like these extras that Anna used so much, and you can just use this and, you know, take off those, trim off those extras. Overall, a beautiful eyebrow kit. I love this. And one eyebrow pencil that I really liked using this year is this LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I'm not sure about the shade, it's all like gone. Yeah, it's the shade Blackest Brown. Very nice eyebrow pencil, very thin. You get a spoolie on the other end. Very decent, good quality eyebrow pencil. I've used a lot of this eyebrow pencil in the past year. Really good one. Now from there, let's move on to eyeshadow base. The only eyeshadow, I actually got two eyeshadow bases this year. This is the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. The other one is the Makeup Revolution one. I did not like that much, but this is something that I really liked and enjoyed using. Whenever I did eyeshadow, I loved using this. So it basically looks like a concealer, provides a very nice canvas to your eyes. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful, you guys. I really like the tone of it, the way it just you know, acts as a canvas. It covers my eyelids beautifully, conceals it beautifully. Very beautiful eyeshadow base. You can find this on Flipkart. I bought this on Flipkart. You can also find this on Myntra. I recently saw it on Myntra. So that is the eyeshadow base that I've loved and used in the past year. From there, let's move on to eyeshadows. Let me talk about the affordable eyeshadows first that I've really liked, and then I'll talk about the high-end ones. So the first one are these Wet n Wild 10 pan palettes. I don't know what these are called. Are these called 10 pan palettes? I'm not sure. So the first one that I got is this palette, which is called Rosé in the Air. It's quite popular. This is very popular than the other one, and this is how it looks like. The mattes are beautiful. The shimmers are like mattes, okay, you can wet it and use it, but yeah, the mattes are really great. But this shade was a dud for me. This was like very chalky, and you know, it's very dry. This shade is very dry. I don't know why, but the other shades are very soft, blendable, really nice transition shade. Really very beautiful. You can see the pigmentation for yourself, how beautifully pigmented they are, and it also really blends very nicely on the eyelids. Overall, a great palette. But if you ask me between this one and the next one that I'm going to be talking about, I would say purchase the next one. Much better, because I love the tones of this one. Okay, so this is the shade My Glamour Squad. Oh my god, I've used this a lot. Again, I used this on my engagement day, my engagement makeup. It's a very beautiful palette, you guys. You've got everything. Think about it. You've got a matte black, you've got a deeper brown, a warm tone transition shade right here, you know, a deeper shades for outer V, and more deeper shade for the outer V, 4 shimmer shades. You have got everything in this palette, and this time the shimmer shades are also beautiful. Let me show you quick swatches. I'm going to wipe my hand, show you quick swatches for the shimmer shades in this palette. Excellent quality. It's very smooth and pigmented. Let me just, this and this, maybe I used this shade for my Diwali look this year, and I really liked it. So this is the quality of the shimmer shade. Can you see? how beautiful this is. This is basically the dupe of Anastasia Beverly Hills soft glam palette, I guess. Very, very beautiful. The matte black is pitch black. It's beautifully pigmented. You can see it's very nice. Let me build this up. That was a bad swatch. So yeah, this is the actual pigmentation. Very beautiful, nicely pigmented shades. The tones are great, especially for dusky skin tones. I love this palette, you guys. I keep using this palette again and again, but the year starting I was using the Rose in the Air palette because I didn't know about this palette back then. So those are the two affordable eyeshadow palettes that I loved and used in the year 2020. Moving on to high-end palettes. The first thing is obvious, my all-time favorite Jaclyn Hill palette. If you need one palette for the rest of your life, you do not want to mess around, you need like many colors to do any sort of a look, this is the palette. You can do any look, any look with this. You have like some fun colorful shades down here to play. I really like these two shades. Very, very beautiful. A very nice green shade and very nice warm toned transition shades. You have a couple of shades for transition, outer V shades. This palette has got it all. Such a beautiful palette. You can buy this from Beauty Tales. Very, very beautiful. The blendability, let me show you some swatches. Let me show you like this matte shade, and a shimmer shade. Let's do this one. The pigmentation is beautiful. The blendability is great. Beautiful palette. Look at that shimmer, you guys. It's such a great palette. I've used this a lot in the past year. Really like this, and whenever I want like a perfect nice, like whenever I feel you know, I want my makeup to be perfect and nice, I really like using that palette. I have it on my eyes today as well. I did the one dip makeup challenge and I used that palette because I know it has tons of transition shades. I can somehow create a look with that just with one dip. And the next high-end palette is, oh, I love this palette, you guys. This is the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. I did a whole video about this palette. If you're interested, you can check it out. What a palette, you guys. So heavy. It's very pricey, you guys. It is very, very pricey, but such a gorgeous palette. You get a huge mirror. I'm just going to hide the mirror, show you just the palette. You can see how gorgeous. I basically reach out to this palette for these glitter shades. These glitters so gorgeous, you guys, because it does not, you know, have this gritty sort of a dry feeling that most of the glitters and most of the palettes I've tried, they have this sort of a gritty glitter texture. Even the Beauty Glazed one, the Color Board palette, but this one, the glitter is great. Just I'm gonna swatch a glitter shade for you. I've taken it and you won't see any residue on my finger, so that is so gorgeous, isn't it? So I really like you doing a look, and just to pump it up a little bit, I like to add in a little bit of glitter from this palette. I've always reached out to this palette for the glitters mainly, and the sequins, I'm yet to play with the sequins shades, which are really nice, especially this one. It looks so beautiful. It's got ton of reflex, such a gorgeous shade, and the mattes are beautiful. The black, I've reached out for this black quite a lot of times. It's very nice, richly pigmented matte black shade. Overall, a beautiful palette. I love this palette. So eyeshadow done. So the next thing is lining your eyes. The best liquid liner that I've constantly used, I've used it today as well, is this Essence liquid ink eyeliner, waterproof. Oh my god, what an eyeliner. Long lasting, pitch black. I'm going to swatch it for you. It's pitch black, one dip. I used it for the one dip makeup challenge and I was able to do a quite decent eyeliner with this. This is a brush tip applicator, which I really like. Richly pigmented, pitch black, long lasting. Look at that. Such a beautiful eyeliner. It settles down to a matte finish, which I really like. I love this eyeliner. Beautiful. If you're looking out for eyeliner, you can try this one. And these eyeliners are available on Myntra as well as Flipkart. So you can check that out in those websites. And also I really loved this NYBay liquid liner. This is the NYBay liquid liner, and you can find this on purple.com. This is only 40 rupees, you guys. The only thing that I don't like about this is that the handle is very short, so it's difficult to draw. But this is a brush tip. The pigmentation, you can see for yourself. The pigmentation is so good. It settles down to a very nice matte black finish. I love this eyeliner. I absolutely love it. I've thoroughly enjoyed this eyeliner in the past year. Beautiful pitch black matte eyeliner. But this is not that long lasting or anything, but it's really good. Just don't rub your eyes when you have it on. So the next one is, let's move on to Kajal for a bit. So for Kajal, I've used these two Kajals quite a lot. This is the BAE Apple of my eye Kajal. I've also used the Faces one that I forgot to bring it to my table. I've used that one as well. The Faces Magneteyes one, and the Faces Intense Gel Kajal is something that I really love to use whenever I want my Kajal to be in place, not smudge and stuff. Beautiful pitch black. So I'm just going to swatch it for you. This is the Faces Gel Kajal. Look at that pigmentation, the glide, the way the formulation, how smooth it is. And this is the BAE. I think I broke this. Anyways, so this is the BAE Kajal. It's a very nice one, nice black Kajal. And yeah, those two are the Kajals that I've really loved for the past year. I'm not a Kajal person, but whenever I wear Kajal, I've used those two a lot. And for mascara, the mascara for the year 2020 goes to Loreal Lash Paradise. This is the only mascara that I use in every single one of my videos. Probably you guys are bored. I love this mascara. So whenever I don't want to wear lashes, I use this mascara. If I want to wear lashes, I go in with this Essence Lash Princess mascara and stuff like that. I can't find it here, but yeah, that is also a mascara that I use whenever I wear fake lashes. When I don't wear fake lashes, I want nice volume and stuff like that. I love wearing this. Getting this off, it's a little bit of a task, but you can easily get it off with a cleansing oil. So beautiful mascara, love it. Love that mascara. It provides volume, it provides length, it's pitch black, long lasting, smudge proof, blah 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 blah. Love it. Best mascara ever. Let's talk more about lashes. For lashes, I've been loving this Ardell lashes. Already 2 pairs are gone, and this is the pair that I'm currently using. I can use this pair, one pair, for multiple times. It does not rip or anything. It does, you know, work pretty well. I don't mind using them. I just clean this band up and then use them. And beautiful lashes. This is in the style Demi Wispies. Such a great lash, you guys. It's very easy to put this on. Again, I used it on my engagement day. Very easy to put it on, very easy to get it off. The band is thin, so really great, especially if you're a beginner. I started to wear lashes a lot in this year only, so this lashes, they came in very handy for me because it was very easy to put it on and take it off because the band is very thin. So such a beautiful lash. And for lash glue, I don't have it here. Okay, for lash glue, I have used only PAC Lash Glue this entire year. I did use Miss Claire for quite a little bit of a time, but I thoroughly enjoyed the PAC Lash Glue. Such a beautiful lash glue, you guys. Your lashes stay put, does not move or anything, and I completely used it up. I emptied it out. It's currently in my trash. I'll be talking about it in my empties video, but after that I'm currently using the Kiss one. But yeah, the PAC Lash Glue is great. Very beautiful, very nice, and holds the lashes very well. So such a nice lash glue. Now let's talk about my favorite category, which is the lipstick category. Oh my god, I think everybody likes this category, or probably you are waiting for this category. You've scrolled all through my video and jumped onto this category. I don't know. So yeah, let's talk about lips. I do not have many lipsticks to talk about because I have already made videos about many lipsticks, my favorite lipsticks under the budget. I've reviewed a lot of lipsticks this year. My channel, they have a lot of lipstick review videos, which most of you might love. So yeah, for me, the formulation is something that really it is important for me, and that makes me wear a lipstick quite a lot of times. So on that basis, this is hands down my favorite formulation ever. This is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD lipstick, and these two shades in particular, one is Tea Rose and the other one is Natural Cocoa. I love both of these shades. I've swatched it on my lips. You can check out my faces video on these lipsticks. I've made 2 videos, I believe. I've swatched 2 shades in my first video and 4 shades in my second video. You can check out both of those videos. I have a separate playlist for lipsticks. You can check it out for more lipstick recommendation. This is something that I love, you guys. It makes my lips look HD and blur, okay? It blurs out my fine lines. This is the shade Natural Cocoa, I guess. This is the shade Natural Cocoa. Such a beautiful color for our brown skin tone girls. This you can wear without makeup. This, for some people, it might wash you out, but I really like it without makeup as well. Such a gorgeous lipstick shade, you guys. Very nice rosy toned lipstick. Love the formulation. Very, very comfortable. Long wearing. It does transfer, but I don't mind that. Comfort matters for me. And the second lipstick I want to talk about is this. I cannot find the other shade. I really used this Miss Claire soft matte lip cream in the shade 62. Again, I have a whole video on this lipstick. You can see the swatches there. And this is something that I've reached out quite a lot. This is in the shade 62. Such a beautiful mauve pinkish shade. Such a nice color. I've also loved the shade 58. I've swatched it in that video. Such a beautiful color, you guys. 62. Very beautiful, comfortable matte finish. And for liquid, okay, here I have 58. Let me just swatch 58 as well. Beautiful shade. Look at that. Such a beautiful pinky nude shade. I love that shade. And the next lipstick are these Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. Oh my god, I have swatched all these nude shades in my channel. If you want me to swatch deeper shades as well, let me know. I'll buy those and swatch it for you guys. Oh my god, the formulation on these are so good. It's watery and it goes on. It's a very thin watery sort of a formula, but on the lips it looks very, very nice. I have the shade Morphe Party on my lips currently. You can see for yourself how nice it looks. Does not transfer at all. It's set matte and it's very, very comfortable, you guys. I don't feel that it's very drying or pulling or tugging on my lips like crepey and all those horrible things. Such a beautiful formula. It wears a quite decent amount of time. I have these shades Nude Dream, Mauve Ecstasy, Nude Twist and Morphe Party. I have swatched all of these shades on my lips. I have done hand swatches as well. You can check that video out if you're interested for the swatches. So that's all of my eyes lip favorite items in the year 2020. So if you want me to do more of these favorites video, current favorites, quarterly favorites video, then please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please share, comment, and also make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.